Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Camp. Today we have problem from HackerRank in which we are going to find number of times substring is present in main string. Here they have given sample input in which our task is to find number of times this substring is present in main string. Here I have written code, so let's understand it. Here I have taken variable L to count the length of substring and another variable C to count the number of times substring is present in main string. Here we have for loop to you all are familiar with. Here is the if statement in which we are going to match the substring with output of this statement, and if both matches then we are going to increment C, means count by 1. So what is this statement? Let's understand it with an example. So this statement is similar with this statement. So what does that mean? Here 1 plus 2 means 3. So it will count 3 character from the string and it will print this character from position 1, which is H. Which character is present on position 1? H. So let's run this code. So we have the output HA, and let's see another example regarding this code. We have for loop in which iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3 and so on is there. We have CDC as substring and the length of CDC is 3, and in for one iteration, first iteration, we have value of I is 0, so length is 3, 0 plus 3 is 3, and we have this statement similar with this statement. So what is saying? Print 0 plus 3 character from position 0. So on position 0 there is A, and print 3 character, which means A, B, C. So it is giving output as ABC, which is matching or not. It is not matching with our substring. So it will move to iteration 2. So after performing this iteration, it is matching or not? No. So it will move on iteration 3. So here after performing this iteration, it is matching with our substring. So it will increment C by 1, and again after fifth iteration it will again give the same output CDC. So it will again increment C by 1. So output of C, value of C is 2 now, which means CDC is present 2 times in this string. CDC, CDC. So output should be 2. So we are returning the C. So let's run the code. Yes, we have passed test case 0. Let's submit the code. Okay, we have successfully passed all test cases. So thank you for watching.